Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain which are the proper fingers which we have to use on Abacus tool. Firstly, this is my ones place on my tool, this white dot, and just next to the white dot at left side this is tens place. At my ones place, when I am doing my lower beats up, I am using my right hand thumb. Okay, when I'm doing lower beats up, I'm using my right hand thumb. When I have to do lower beats down, I'm using my index finger. Lower beats up from thumb, lower beats down from index finger. When I have to do upper beat down, I'm using again index finger. When I'm doing upper beat up, it's again my index finger. So in all cases I'm using my index finger, but when I'm doing lower beats up I'm using thumb. Same fingers I have to use of left hand at my tens place. Upper beat, lower beats up with my thumb, lower beats down, index finger, upper beat down, index finger, upper beat up it is again with my index finger only. Why it is important to use these fingers, use these proper fingers on Abacus tool? Because when we do without tool, then if we know proper fingers which we have used, then we are able to do calculations fast. So this is when I am doing lower beat up, it is 1. I am doing upper beat down, it is 5. Upper beat is having value 5. It is 6. Or if I have to do this lower beat up and upper beat down in one step only, I will do like this. It's butterfly step, like lower beat up and upper beat down. If I am doing it less 6, it is this. Add 6, it is this. Again, it is less 6. If I have to do 7 now, 7 means 2 lower beats and 1 upper beat. 2 lower beat and 1 upper beat. It is like this. If I have to do less 7, it is like this. Add 7, it is like this. Again, it is less 7. Add 8. Add 8 means this. This is add 8. Less 8. This is less 8. Add 9. Add 9 is this, and it is less 9. It is called butterfly step when we have to use both upper beats and lower beats. This was all about what are the proper fingers which we have to use on tool. Thank you.